Hi guys!
Thank you for joining this edition of Color and Beauty. My name is Tanaj Nicole.
It's your girl Astrid.
And yes guys, we are back with an awesome, super easy, super colorful Pride look. Yes. I know everyone is out enjoying their wonderful time in the sun during this wonderful Pride month. And some of the, makeup looks can get a little bit complicated, i.e. ones I love to do.
Yep, everything on TikTok that you've done so far has been complicated. I just need a tissue. And I need an eyeshadow palette, and that's it.
Yeah, so we're going to show you guys a really simple, anyone can do it, way of getting a very colorful Pride look.
Yes, so let's go ahead and get started. We have our tissue. So you could just get facial tissue or toilet paper, depending on.
We're using toilet paper.
If you still have some left after everything that happened. And, and then we'll be using, we're actually going to use a Violet Voss Bright Vibes palette. We have a review on this on our channel, but this has pretty much all the colors that we need, all the colors of the rainbow.
Yes.
And it's great quality, so we're gonna go ahead and use that palette.
Yeah, and I think this is, I'm telling you guys, we have several. I think a good maybe 5 palettes that have like a rainbow in it, and I keep coming back to this one.
That one?
Yes.
I've seen this on TikTok. It's like one of the trends that's going on, like people putting on their makeup with their tissue. Okay, let's put on our makeup with our tissue. Like, what's next? Like, with our toes or something? You know?
Let me explain really quick. It gives like that burst of color effect on your eyes. And it looks very artistic, so, you know.
Let's see. So, I'm just gonna get my tissue.
Scrunch it up. Right, scrunch it up, yes. And you're gonna start in the outer corner. So.
Oh, we're starting outer corner. Okay, I would have started inner corner.
You can start either way.
I think I'm gonna go inner corner with the red.
Okay, I will go outer corner.
Well, do you, boo? I mean, different ways of looking at life. Okay, I look a little scary because I have like ghost white concealer on my eyelids because you have let me know that it has to be like really, really fair color.
Yes, it
on
does.
The eyelids.
I don't think you need to do completely white base. But it does need to be a very bright concealer to catch all the colors.
Well, I'm going to use the color of Fanny Pack, which is going to be kind of like the bright, I want to say red, it's more of like a pinkish red. Okay, here we go. Oh boy, the accomplishments I come up with. Oh, that's interesting.
Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just a little patch. So I'm going to start on the outer corner here by using Radical, which is this purplish, or not purple, it's very purple. It's neon purple, that's what this is. And it's going to be a scrunch.
This is definitely one of those looks where I'm hoping I don't mess it up, even though, I just don't want it to like go down.
Well, you can use concealer to clean it up if it does.
I understand that concept.
You said Alright, and so I am going to put this on the outer corner here.
I mean, it looks nice though.
Oh, look at that! That looks so cool!
Oh, that is so cool!
See how it just makes like this odd,
it's just like an odd shape, yeah.
Yeah, and so you're going to continue to do this with the other colors. And I do suggest, if you don't know like the colors of the rainbow, like in order, like pull it up on Google. So if you're using a palette that's not in order, you don't get thrown off. Because like if you start with purple, blue should be next. If you start with red, you should go to orange.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go with orange, which this palette is called Like Warmers, which I think is hilarious.
Yeah.
I always get reminded. I feel like I'm making different shapes every time, which
which is cool. I think that's the point. It's supposed to be fun.
Yeah, it's like snowflakes.
I'm using Jellies right here, which is this blue right there.
Okay. I'm really nervous about the yellow, you guys, because listen, yellow on me just does not pop at all for anything. Shirts.
Ooh, there we go.
Eyeshadow, nothing.
I actually like that it's getting underneath here for me, because that's a me thing to do. That is to put it underneath my eye as well. So, I mean, and if you guys don't want that, you want to be very clean, just use concealer to clean it up.
Yeah.
This is a very cool technique. I thought it was the coolest thing.
I want to skip yellow. But I won't.
Okay. You won't skip yellow?
I won't skip yellow. That's not very nice. It's like one of the colors of my flags. I feel like that somebody's gonna say something if I do that. I won't do that.
So now I'm skipping over the bright blue and going into the green. And this is Aerobics.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. Definitely gonna head to the supermarket after this. Just get in line.
Ooh. All right.
Oh, yours is so cute.
It's giving.
It's very artistic.
It's very artistic.
Yes, very out there.
So for me to continue on my road to the other side of the rainbow, I'm going to be using the neon yellow with this orange.
I'm gonna go with green, which is Aerobics on this one.
Yep, there it is. Again, very bright concealer.
I'm glad I went with a really bright one. I'm not gonna lie, when this camera first turned on, I said, oh my, I'm not used to using this kind of color concealer for a very long time. This is the kind of color concealer I used to use back in high school and thought this was my shade.
Oh, I see. So it was the wrong thing.
Very wrong. Not cute at all.
Wow. Yeah, this is very cool. It's very graphic art. That was like warmers that I just used right there, that orange.
I feel like mine's very basic, just like me. So I'm glad my tissue got the hint.
And now I'm going to end it with Fanny Pack. That's that reddish orange that Astra started with.
Okay. I am almost done. I'm going to go with the blue now, which is Jellies. So there's two blues in this one. I'm actually going to go with the darker blue.
Yeah, I use darker blue too.
Yeah, I just feel like it goes better.
Wow. Okay. This is really cool.
Yours is so cute. It's very you.
It's very me. It's very me.
I have one more to go.
Okay.
I'm so behind.
It's okay. I just used,
So radical. This is my last one. It's radical.
And then it's that neon purple that we were talking about.
Okay, last one. This orange one is giving me like Nickelodeon. Oh, that one went a little far. That one went a little far.
Did it?
It went a little. I'm gonna have to fix that.
You gonna fix that one?
That yellow. That yellow's gonna have to go somewhere else. Hold on. It's gonna have to go a little farther than I thought to match that purple now. Okay.
Okay. I see it. What do you guys think? I love it. It's so.
It's very different.
It's so different. Okay, so the idea now is to either do a wing liner if you're a wing liner person like me, or you just put lashes on, throw mascara on, and you really do have a cohesive look with this. So what we're gonna do,
so neat.
It is so neat. We're gonna finish like kind of like the rest of the face, and we'll be right back.
Yeah, let's come back and see what we come up with.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
All right, guys.
What do you think?
I think this is so adorable. So all I did to really finish out my look was to do the tiniest of wings. You probably can't even see it from this far. And it's just so that the lash that I chose was a very heavy one. So I wanted there to be something there to hold it up. And I'm throwing a bright pink lip and add some highlight.
Yeah, you pretty much just copied what I did. I didn't go for liner whatsoever. I actually didn't even put on false eyelashes just because I really wanted my eyeshadow to stand out. So I did mascara. And the cool part about this is I put on highlighter from the Fenty palette. And then I was looking at Tanaj and I said, should I put on like colored eyeshadow on top of the highlighter? And I put on like a little bit of yellow. I don't know if the camera can pick up on it or not, but like yellow highlight. And then she was like, let me tell you how you take it up a notch. You're gonna do contour, right? In green.
Yes.
So, I'm not sure if you can see that line right there. In green. It probably looks ashy. I'm not sure if it does. If it doesn't, then that was on purpose. But if it looks ashy, don't look at it. You know what I'm saying? That's why I got long hair, because you could just cover it up like that. But if not, then we just gonna let it out. But that's what our finished look looks like, pretty much. Yeah. I have my hat on. You have your hat somewhere else.
I do have my hat. It's right here because we are going to take photos And how
This
cute
is
is
fabulous.
this? This is
I
fabulous.
really like it. I know.
It's such a vibe.
It's
like,
a vibe.
It is. It is.
I want to wear this, and we're actually going to wear this out possibly on one of our next challenges, which we wanted to tell you guys about really quick before we let you guys go.
Yes.
We are going to be doing more fashion-related videos because we're kind of entering more into that realm.
Mm-hmm.
And another one of the videos that's coming out is going to be our $20 fashion challenge, which we are...
Look out for that. That is going to be, it's a good video. It's a good video. You get to see us do the search, do the work to find full outfits under $20. And we mean shoes included.
Shoes,
so
everything.
So, it's a good video. Please watch out for that.
It's going to be a good series. So that one's going to be coming out soon. But if you enjoyed today's video, like always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you doing? If you got this far, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. And also the notification button, because we're going to be putting out all these new videos. You need to be aware. So go ahead and hit that button as well.
And also go to our Instagram, it's Coloring Beauty, ITSCOLOUR, because we are indeed burly like that. And we have our TikTok, that's at Coloring Beauty, again, COLOUR in beauty. And just keep up with us. We're fun. It's a good time. It's a good time.
All right, you guys. So thank you guys so much for hanging in there. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.